When you will be successful in life, why should you enjoy what you do? Point number 10. The best example I can think of for doing something with passion in Sachin Tendulkar. Just imagine this guy has got all the records you want in international cricket. He has played the maximum number of test matches, one day matches. He has got all the runs and all the records with him. But till his retirement, whenever he played with a great passion. That is the way Sachin was so successful. What's the secret of Sachin Tendulkar's success? Keep in mind. Point number 11. Here are some ways to make sure that the goals that you are working on are things that you want and not just things that sound good. Point number 12. Set goals on a yearly basis. Set smaller goals and achieve the smaller goals. And go on a step-by-step basis. When you go on a step-by-step basis, as I told you with live example, it becomes easier to achieve your goals. Time management is important when you want to achieve your goals. If you work towards it in a very conscious manner with passion, by putting your heart and soul into whatever you want to be, you will get it. Write your goal with positive attitude. Write your goal in complete detail. Make sure your goal is I know. Point number 13. The next step in the goal setting process to identify the benefits of achieving the goal. Make sure that you are going towards where you actually want to go. What are the steps in the goal setting process? How do goals become easy to achieve? Point number 14. Make sure that you take an informed decision when you choosing your career. Let us see what happens when you are choosing your career. Choosing a career. 15.15. There are a lot of factors which actually influence you when you are trying to choose your career. They are your educational background, parental influence, teachers and mentors, the environment that you are in, personal aspiration and peer pressure. We need to have proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing type of career you want. Choose something you want, enjoy and really want to do and you will be successful. Glossary. Crossroads. Noun, to be at a point when you have make a very important decision. Deteriorated. Verb, become worse. Influence. Noun, the capacity to have an effect and the character development. Peer. Noun, person of same age, status or ability. Passion. Noun, strong desire. Ultimately, adverb, being the best or most extreme example. Thank you for watching. This is collection for 9th book from English part. Thank you.